Welcome back for an exciting update where we started the cladding, had the spray foam insulation complete and the first fix electrics. We started the week by painting the frames to match the colour of the windows and doors and to stop rust.
We've left a small section at the front so you can still tell it's a shipping container once complete. After 2 coats we were satisfied with the coverage. We then began installing the battening to the outside of the container. We used screws and spray foam adhesive to make sure the container stays watertight. The cladding will eventually attach to each of the battens. Next came the spray foam insulation. Once they turned up, it almost looked like a scene out of Breaking Bad. After it's sprayed on, it expands about 10 times and goes solid. The benefit of using spray foam is it completely stops condensation, which is a big problem in shipping containers. Next came the first fix electrics, which only took them 1 day. Head over to our Instagram for day-to-day updates and keep an eye out for the next video as the doors and windows have now been installed. Thank you all for the continued support.